Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Concept Clear. In today's class, we'll discuss about software defined network for IoT. IoT అనేది సాఫ్ట్వేర్ డిఫైన్డ్ నెట్వర్క్లో ఎలా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇక్కడ in this diagram we have totally 3 layers. The first one is the application layer, second one is the control layer, and third one is the infrastructure layer. Here application layer is what? Application layer is the interface between user and network. Okay, in this application layer we have several clients like IoT app, data path control. Okay, here IoT app will be interact with user and SDN controller. Here SDN controller verifies user authentication and mobility management. Okay, and what about SDN controller? SDN controller act interface between application layer as well as the infrastructure layer. What are the messages, what are the signals passing from the clients that will be received by the API SDN controller? It will send to the different networks. Okay, Wi-Fi or internet or Zigbee or thread, whatever it is. Okay, this is about this is the block diagram of software defined networking for IoT. Here ikkada internet of things contains different traditional challenges. In that one, it contains different applications like quality of services, and it has to exchange the huge amount of data over the network. And SDN network SDN network is a approach to control the network unified manner. Okay, unified manner, and it has to provide high level security and also controls the network. It has to control the network, and it contains less configuration issues, but without any worries. It will provide the heterogeneous and application specific requirements of the IoT. Okay, and SDN అనేది తక్కువ configuration తోటి it will provide the more security and as well as the more network activities. Okay, we study the applications of the impact of softwareization and IoT is different aspects that are the different perspectives. That is, the first one is the access networks, edge networks, and wide area network. Access networks అనేది edge networks and wide area networks, these are the different networks. Here we will transfer the data, huge amount of data. We also develop analysis of the models, characteristics of performance, softwareization networks. Okay, if you see here, the software SDN is a modern approach of managing computer networks, spreading the control plane from data plane. This separation allows centralized network control and easier to manage the configure the network dynamically and programmatically. Okay, ఇక్కడ SDN IoT introduces the unique challenges such as diverse quality services, application specific quality services requirements, handling large amount of data, and predictive of the network needs. This is the different challenges in IoT. These are the everything will be provided by the software defined networking. Okay, manaki what are the benefits in SDN in IoT? The first benefit is enhanced control flexibility. Enhanced control the flexibility means SDN will provide the as controlling of the network and flexibility of the network will be enhanced by using IoT. Okay, with eliminating need of manual configuration with less hardware devices, it provides the more controlling. And the second one is the customizable network infrastructure. What is the meaning of customizable means administrators can design network services centrally and allocate the resources. Okay, and the resources can modify the network. Okay, central customizable means how they required. Okay, and they can eliminate the unnecessary devices. Okay, that is the customer. Okay, how much customer or user requirement, that is the customizable network infrastructure. And the last one is the robust security. What is the meaning of robust security means SDN provides the comprehensive visibility across the entire network. Okay, SDN అనేది మన నెట్వర్క్ మొత్తాన్ని మనం యాక్సెస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు డైరెక్ట్గా. సో the entire network is under control of the user, so you can get the more security. Okay, see here, the operators can create distinct zones for the devices requiring different security levels or promptly isolate the compromised devices to prevent the spread of the infections. Okay, what are the different models in IoT? Different models are open SDN. It is open protocols. In this one utilizes open protocols and govern the both virtual and physical devices, directing the flow of the packets. ఇది ఇట్లా ఏముంటుందంటే ఓపెన్ ప్రోటోకాల్స్ యూజ్ చేసి డేటాని ఎలా వర్చువల్గా ఫిజికల్గా డివైజెస్ని డైరెక్ట్ ఫ్లో ఎలా ప్యాకెట్ చేస్తుంది. API, it is uses the programming interfaces to regulate the exchange the data. API is the data అనేది ఎలా ఎక్స్చేంజ్ అవుతుంది, ensuring the efficient data flow management. Overall modern SDN, it constructs a virtual network above existing hardware infrastructures. ఇది వర్చువల్ నెట్వర్క్ లేయర్కి ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ హార్డ్వేర్కి ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్కి. And the last one is hybrid modern SDN. It combines SDN and traditional networking, enabling optimal selection. Hybrid అనేది ఏంటంటే మోడర్న్ enabling optimal selection of the protocols for various traffic types. This approach can be used phased implementation of this one. Okay, this is about the software defined networking for IoT. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.